Okay, so what we have here is the safe dry method. We have the little perm rods here. And as you can see, it creates space under the locks to where when they go and get dry, they get dry without getting sour on the inside. Make sense, Chris?
Makes sense.
So it's a little hole inside here, so you can see that. And as we can see, Chris has a lot of locks. And we want to make sure that they get dry. If you have someone with extra long locks, you can just flip them up and put the perm rod on them. Now I can't say it's super long, so we brought it back on itself. But we kept the space because the roller is right here.
I just kind of got frustrated with it for a while.
I'm not liking anybody's look. I looked at it on my honest, and it looks like something that you would see at a theme park. I'm looking at Stanley's look, and the ribbon
Soft, glossy lip. Okay. Little, we want her to look sexy, but pretty natural. Why don't we do?
It doesn't ruin, it doesn't make permanent rolls go into the hair. There are many issues that can come from locks not being dried correctly. Miss Vava's safe dry method will prevent over drying of the hair. It can also prevent skin and scalp irritation from being under the dryer for too long. When your locks are dried correctly, you can avoid mildew and foul odor buildup in your locks. Less time under the dryer and will allow stylists to service more clientele. Okay guys, so Chris is under the dryer. And what we did was, after we had the hair down, we flip it back up. You got your 15 already, right, Chris?
Yeah.
Sit a little forward. Sit forward a little bit.
Sit forward.
Okay, so Chris has been inside the dryer for, where's your time at, Chris?
15 minutes.
Let me see it say. About to be 15 minutes. Oh, that's so it's been 12 minutes so far?
I thought I came under here 12. My phone said 12:25.
Oh, okay. So what we do is we have this space under here. This little hole in there. Little rolls under here too to keep it held up. And we flip this up. You see we have this space here. Flip this up. And we have this last roll here. We'll just tuck this in here. Just so it can hold. Okay guys, so what we're doing right now is waiting a couple of minutes while Chris is under the dryer doing a safe dry. He's been under for 15 minutes. His locks are extremely long and very thick and hold a lot of water. So I gave him an extra 5 minutes. That'll bring him up to 20 minutes for drying from top to bottom. His scalp, the shaft of his lock, and his tips will be completely dry because we flip the hair over after getting the hair dried through the spaces that are in the perm rods. Okay? show you guys in a second. Okay, lovies. Now we have some do's and don'ts. Grab your notebook and your pencils. Okay, so we want to be sure that we thoroughly clean the locks. All previous product from previous retwisting must be removed. Please do not overuse product. Overuse of products will cause lint collection and also contribute to bad odors being held in the locks. Please be sure to drain the water out of the locks. It is very inconsiderate to have your client sitting in the chair with water dripping all over them. Be sure not to over twist the locks, and please organize them before putting them in the perm rods. So that's probably about 15 minutes, right? I mean 20 minutes, right? Because I added 4 minutes at the end?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Which makes you a pretty great
hair is dry, right?
Yeah.
All the way down to the bottom. And now that the hair is dry completely, we're able to put it into a style that probably would not have dried as thoroughly if it was styled before they went under the dryer. Game time, everyone. If you're the first or the 7th person to make a comment under the YouTube video or in the Instagram or YouTube Live, you'll get 50% off an in-person consultation with Miss Vava.